Students, welcome to the second round of the spoken English class. In the second round, you are told about practice, reading practice. Here, while speaking, posture is the position of the body, how it moves with angular hand, head tilting, shoulders movement. And gesture, the movement of the body, posture, the position of the body is very important to make the talk live. I don't want to listen to that talk. Ready? Start. First, you have to say, good evening. Good evening, everybody. So, while saying good evening, everybody, your hands should raise. You should not say like this, good evening, everybody. Oh, it looks very bad, you know. So, good evening, everybody. Attention, please. Move. Look my hand, how it is moving. Today's topic. Topic will algorithm diverge. Today's topic. Work was not done in a picnic. It is our topic. Right? Work was not done in a picnic. Then you have to read. Jaha lekicho, taha padhibo. Then you have to say goodbye everybody. So whenever you are saying some word, body parts should move accordingly. Okay? તમે જો તમે કહો છો goodbye everybody, તો goodbye in ખબર છે either right hand or left hand. Left hand is better nowadays. Okay? આ મુંડો પોતું કે good evening everybody કહુଥିବ. No, like goodbye everybody. Don't look. It doesn't look nice. Am I right?
Yes.
Adapt like this. You have to come to the stage now and you have to speak it. Welcome to MGM Studio.
Oh, yes, sir.
Start.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Attention, please. Reading practice. Today's topic. Work was not done. In our picnic, ice cream were not brought,
Yeah, correct. You're absolutely right.
and water bottles were not brought.
Yeah, yes.
Song competition were not conducted.
Of course, yes.
Okay, good one.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are all
We
fine.
are all fine, thank you.
Today's topic,
Yeah.
reading practice,
Mm.
our picnic.
Yes.
Mutton curry was not cooked
Yes.
and ice cream was not brought.
Yeah, yeah.
Operative work was not done.
I see, yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Everybody,
Very good evening.
attention please.
Reading back.
Reading tactics.
Today's topic.
Today's topic. Our